What's happening everyone, my name is Alex and welcome back. Today we are doing a gaming test to the Xiaomi Black Shark. So this is a gaming phone that has the Snapdragon 845 and 6 gigs of RAM, and this phone has liquid cooling inside, and that means that it's not gonna get hot and you can play for extended periods of time. So I have a whole bunch of games that I have installed. I have Real Racing 3, I have PUBG, GTA San Andreas, Legends, a whole bunch of games. I'm not sure if I'll play all of them, but I'll play around 2 to 3 minutes from the ones that I choose. So we're gonna set the phone in the gaming mode with the switch that we have on the side here. And in the gaming mode, the phone basically turns off the notifications and increases its performance. So I think we're gonna start by playing PUBG. Alright, and as you've seen, PUBG did extremely well. Next we are gonna play Real Racing 3, and for that one I'm gonna use this Bluetooth controller because this one works with the Bluetooth controller. So let's play this one. And as you've seen, Real Racing 3 did extremely well, and next we're gonna move on to Legends. Now this one doesn't work that well with the controller, so I'll play this one by hand.
Piece of junk.
And as you've seen, that one did pretty good as well. And next we are moving on to GTA San Andreas, and for this one I can use the controller.
I gotta be. Oh, damn, motherfucker. Give me that fucking vehicle. Don't upset me. Hey, you hear me just set up a truth? I'm having this.
And as expected, the GTA San Andreas did very well as well, and we're moving to the next game. And I believe I can use a controller with this one as well. But this one seems to be doing quite good as well. Alright, and the last game we are gonna try is... let's try Asphalt 8 for a bit. Alright, and as you've seen, that game did really well as well. So to exit the gaming mode, we have to switch this back. And now after playing for about an hour, the phone feels a bit warm around here, but just warm, it doesn't feel hot. With most phones, after playing for about an hour, those games, they would be pretty hot. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did like it, press that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.